Want to use CapCut for your next video project, but the installer just won't cooperate? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix CapCut installation problems, step by step. By the end, you'll know not just what to do, but why these fixes work, so you can troubleshoot confidently and get CapCut up and running without the usual stress. All right, let's start from the very beginning. The first thing you want to check is your system requirements. This step might sound basic, but it's absolutely essential. If your computer doesn't meet CapCut's minimum requirements, no amount of troubleshooting will get the app to work smoothly, or at all. So head over to the official CapCut website and look up the system requirements. Pay attention to details like your operating system version, how much RAM your PC has, available disk space, and what kind of processor you're running. If you're not sure how to check these, just type "About your PC" in the Windows search bar. You'll get all the info you need right there. If your computer happens to fall short, it's probably worth considering an upgrade, or using CapCut's mobile version instead. Next up, disabling your antivirus software. Now, this might feel a little risky, I get it, but sometimes antivirus programs are a bit too protective. They can block installers, especially from sources they don't recognize, even if the program is totally legitimate. Before you start, disconnect from the internet if possible, just to stay safe. Then, temporarily turn off your antivirus. You can usually do this by clicking the icon in your system tray and finding a Disable or Pause Protection option. Don't forget to turn your antivirus back on when you're done. You don't want to leave your computer unprotected for too long. After that, it's a classic move for a reason. Restart your PC. A simple reboot can clear out lingering files or locked up processes that might be interfering with your install. Think of it like tidying up a workspace before starting a new project. It clears away any clutter that could cause confusion. When your computer boots back up, try running the CapCut installer again. But what if the installation still fails? No worries. Let's dig deeper. If you previously installed CapCut and things didn't go smoothly, go ahead and uninstall the old version first. On Windows, head to Settings, then Apps and Features. Find CapCut in the list, click it, and hit Uninstall. This is important because leftover files from a previous installation can conflict with new installs, kind of like two puzzle pieces trying to fit into the same spot. Once it's uninstalled, restart your PC again just to be thorough. Now download a fresh copy of the installer. Always get it from the official CapCut website to make sure you're getting the latest, safest version. Sometimes downloads get corrupted. Maybe your internet dropped out for a split second, or there was interference. Re-downloading gives you a clean file and rules out that possibility. When you're ready to try installation again, right-click the installer file and choose Run as Administrator. This is a classic troubleshooting step, and what it does is give the installer extra permissions. Sometimes regular user permissions aren't enough for installing new software, especially if system folders are involved. Running as administrator clears those potential hurdles, and if the official installer still doesn't work, don't give up yet. There's another option. Try getting CapCut through the Microsoft Store. Some users find that apps install more smoothly from the store because Windows handles permissions and installation in the background. But here's an important tip. Stick to one source for downloading and installing. Don't mix and match between the website and the store. That can sometimes lead to new problems. If you follow these steps patiently, you should be able to resolve most CapCut installation issues. Don't worry if something takes a few minutes, or if you need to pause and check specs. It's all part of making sure things go right. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get CapCut installed without a hitch. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you've run into any weird errors or have questions. I'm always happy to help out where I can. Make sure you subscribe for more friendly how-to videos just like this one, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.